Yeah, you know me understand. That kind of yarn. You ever seen it? Some people fool. When me I grew up little boy, you hear my grandmother say, yeah, some people fool. When you're fool, they say you come from Mocco. And to be honest, as growing up, we realize that Mocco come from Mocco is a real actual place. You understand? And me always got some grandmother, I remember them saying, tell somebody do something stupid or some nonsense, as they call it. I must say, man, move for somewhere. You come from Mocco? Eh? You come from Mocco? So me get the idea of like, Mocco is just a phrase they use when you're fool. But actually I grew up, and then when I grew up and realized, my mother tell me the actual place named Mocco, and when you're fool, they say go from Mocco because you know the fool. But me tell them say a lie, nothing no go so. Nothing can't go so. So me, you know, me left all the way from Jamaica. Me never know say Mocco was a real place. Come up a Canada, you know. When me come up here, so me meet some people, and we having discussion, and one day me said that boy act like he come from Mocco. Because one man can't so fool. Almost 2 or 3 persons. Can't be say one man can't so fool. It's got to be 2 or 3 persons fool. So one man sent the fool and fool. It take 3 persons and 4 persons for fool like that. I have no sense like that. One person can't have no sense like that. No man. So me tell the man say, I must Mocco you come from. Me say that's a joke out of context. But me never really actually know say the man come from Mocco, you know? And somebody tell me say, I'm Mocco, the man come from for real. And me say, oh. No, me understand why the man act that way. Because the man actually come from Mocco. So him now I feel left if prove it now, say I know some Mocco people stay. But the more me stick around the person, I realize that I true my grandmother talk. From my grandmother to my grand, whatever you want to come from. So Mocco is a real place, and when you're real stupid and have no sense or your sense no make. But I said before, but this is when I beat sense and beat up book, and I don't know if I say. I say nonsense, fool, stupid, nonsense. All of them put together when making no say nothing no make sense. That come from this and improving it over and over and over. Nah man. One person can't say fool. And then him have a next brethren. But just as fool as him. I give him advice. Why? The only difference between the other brethren now, you know come from Mocco. See? You know come from Mocco. But he almost go live in Mocco. He almost live in Mocco. But anyway, that's another story. But people, if you see somebody or you know somebody and they have no sense, the word for it is Mocco. Alright? When you're fool, Mocco. You do stupidness, Mocco. You don't have no sense, Mocco. You act stupid, Mocco. You do stupidness, Mocco. You understand me? The whole point about it is Mocco. See? So, one word to sum up nonsense, stupidness. People do stupidness, people don't have no sense, people do wrong things over and over, even with tellings, is Mocco. See? So, you have Mocco and you have Mocco San. So Mocco San is when you're extra extra stupid. Mocco son is when you're extra stupid. Like, you can't take telling nobody, nothing what them tell you say, it not work out. It not register right, just say just a slide, a slippery. So that you can Mocco son. People, I don't know, joke thing. If you buck up nobody and they not no sense, they not take telling, just call them Mocco. The new word for stupidness, sense, fool, is Mocco. And extra stupid, extra no sense, Mocco son. Aye! This is real malad. Mocco.